Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Need more space for your photos? Google One provides extra storage for Google Photos, Drive and Gmail. Now in this video I'll show you how to transfer your photos to Google One quickly and easily. The first step is to open Google Photos. And to do that, just go to your web browser and then type in the search bar photos dot google.com and search for it. Now make sure you log in using your account credentials. As you can see, this is my Google One Photos. Or you can alternatively open the Google Photos app in your mobile phone. And after you do that, sign in with your Google account. As you can see, I'm already signed in. The second step is to upload photos to Google One Storage. And to do that, just click on Upload. Let's see here. Click on the plus button. And you can choose whether you want to create an album, a collage, a highlight video, animation, or even share pictures with a partner. Or you can add photos by clicking on Import Photos, or you can add them from the Google Drive. Just select Import Photos, and here you're gonna browse your device for pictures. Now, if you're using a phone, just tap Library and Upload, and then select the images. You can also turn on Backup and Sync to upload automatically. The third step is to adjust Google One storage settings. And to do that, just let's cancel this. Let's go to Google One, search for Google One, and then click on the website. Now once you click on the website, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Once logged in, click on storage to see how much space is used. As you can see, I'm using 3.76 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes. Now if needed, upgrade your plan to increase storage. And you can upgrade your plan by clicking on Get More Storage and then choose your plan. Google One Storage is shared across Drive, Gmail and Photos, so make sure you manage it easily. And also high quality photos take up less space, but original quality preserve full resolution. And that's how you transfer photos to Google One. Just upload them through Google Photos and manage storage as needed. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.